Can you see how crispy it is? Can you hear the crunch? It's so crispy. Hello everyone. Welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share a Panipuri Puri's recipe. So most of the people don't get like crispy and crunchy puris. So I'm sharing you my recipe. So here I have taken 1.5 cup of suji. I have taken a coarse suji. Into that I have added 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and salt to taste. Now give it a good mix and add a regular water, tap water, gradually. So we need a soft dough. This feels it's little more soft, so I will add little bits of suji. I have added a 2 tablespoon of suji here to make it a soft dough. So now knead it well and make sure that added suji mixed well. Now this looks perfect. You can see it's soft. Um, so we need a little soft as we are going to rest it for 15 minutes. So once it's been 15 minutes and it's rested well, so now we can see it's get little stiff. Um, so this is perfect. We don't want it too hard or too soft. So now we will make a balls out of it. So you can make as per your preference. I have kids, so I will make it little smaller in size. If you want a bigger in size, you can make a bigger balls. So on the cutting board, I will roll it like a big roll and then cut with a knife. So you can make it your own preferred size. Same way, make the all the I will cut all in pieces. So from a 1.5 cup, it will make around 100 puris. It's depend on a size. If you are making bigger, then it could be make like around 80 puris. So here I'm using a roti maker, that is tortilla maker. So that way it is very easy and quick. So if you don't have a tortilla maker, you can roll it on a rolling pin. So this is very quick and easy way. So make sure when you press it, don't press it too hard. You can see how thick it is. So that way you can prepare 100 puris in just 30 minutes and you don't need to buy from the store. As in where I am living, it's very costly and we don't like to have it from the outside as we don't know what kind of oil they are using. So it is better to make it home. And if you have a help from your house, then it's very easy and quick. So on the side, I have put the oil on a medium high flame, and I will put a little small piece of dough to check if the oil is hot enough. Now we can see it's hot. Now we make sure the oil is hot enough, otherwise it won't puffed up. So once oil is hot, super hot, then we will start adding the puris, like just gently press it so it will puffed up easily. Now you can see it's getting puffed up so well. Side is done. We will flip it. You can see it has a little bit golden browning color. We don't want to like same way I will fry all the puris. And if you see some flat puris, then it's fine. You can use it for bale or a save puri. So just make sure if you're rolling with your hand, then you have to let it rest the puris for a couple of minutes, probably 10-15 minutes. So that's how it's get crispier faster. Otherwise, you have to fry them for a little longer. It's all puffed up and it's very crispy and super thin. And it's you can try my recipe and let me know in the comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.